Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to stream on Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to stream on Twitch, you just simply have to open the Twitch application at very first and then tap to create button in top right corner, and from there you will get this create button at the bottom middle. Just simply tap into that create button and then you will get two options. You can choose either stream games or stream in real life. You have to select the suitable option for you. I'm selecting stream game for now, and then you have to enable your overlays and microphone. Just simply manually do both, and then after enabling, simply search for the game category that you are playing. And after selecting the game, click to continue. And after that, you can read many tips related to live streaming on Twitch and click to next button again. You can choose the quality from here, and after choosing the quality, then continue. Open stream controls and click to start now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.